Today I was taking my car to Dunkin' Donuts, and on my way back I was stopped at a light and I saw steam coming from under my hood. At first I thought it was the car in front of me, their exhaust, something like that. But when I got to the next light, I saw the same thing happening. So I was a little bit concerned at that point, I'm not gonna lie. I checked my temperatures, my coolant and my oil were both well in range. So I drove the car home. It was only about 2 miles away. We pulled up and I popped the hood and I could see coolant spraying out of one of the coolant hoses. So today we're gonna change the coolant hose and we're gonna figure out why it's doing that or what caused the damage. So let's get started. So anyways, this is the hose right here. I'm gonna zoom in on it. It's that one. And you can see it's the one coming from I believe the water pump going down. I'll show you a better angle on it. Hey guys, I just wanted to show you which hose it was. In this diagram, it's number 5. It's the one that wraps around and goes up. This is the bottom of it and it hooks into the oil cooler right here. I couldn't find any good pictures of the top side, but it just goes into the side of the water pump. So anyways, we got the belly pan exposed. This is the hose right here. And it hit this pulley right here. And you can kind of see some of the hose damage right there, but we're about to pull it off. We're gonna find out. But I see where it is on the bottom. It goes into what looks like an oil something, some kind of oil cooler maybe, I don't know. Let's go down there and do it. We gotta take these pliers and drop this hose. I'm not sure if water's gonna fly everywhere. Oh, it's coming. And it indeed did spill water everywhere. Or antifreeze, I guess. So, that was a win, I guess, that we planned for that. Step 2 of this is going to be to remove it from the top. There should be less water this time. Didn't want to budge yet. Problem is we spun that down. Okay. You hear it all draining down there. Hey everyone, we got that hose off and it was a Sunday, so I had to wait till the next day on Monday. I called Dodge and they directed me to a dealership that had it. It was about 10 miles away. I went and drove, picked it up, and now we're gonna go ahead and put the hose on. Top is on, but we gotta make sure we line it up right. So for the record, what I did is I got the hose back on, and now I put a zip tie here around the hose and this connector. There's almost 0 to no force on it, so it shouldn't be an issue. But that'll just hold the hose away from the pulley,
because there is a connector, but I have an aftermarket fans on this, and I guess there isn't a connector for it, so it was hanging, and I hit that pulley right there. So now it should be good. You know, there's little, I gotta hold the light. There's little to no force, you know what I mean? It's almost loose, so it should be good.